can also support coffee. And you might be in the same boat. I'm in a boat. I'll go back. So while I do use every operating system, because I love it, my primary workhorse is Windows. We're kind of doing a little history of already remote access. Before I show you my favorite solution, I will show you. I just want to tell you a story. But I have a problem with Windows. Specifically, their RDP. Now here's the current state of remote desktop and my biggest problem. So right now, remote desktop. If you're on a Windows computer, they actually have a pretty amazing remote desktop.
I hate this.
It's called remote desktop.
I'm not good at drawing lines.
From this computer here, the one I'm using, I can remote into that laptop behind. Also running Windows. Start up. We'll search for remote desktop connection, or if you're old school, we'll search for MSTSC. Put in your IP address and click on connect. And I'm in. Like, it's amazing. Except for one very big reason, and this is the reason I have to pay for remote desktop. This computer here, the one I'm loading into, it has to be Windows 11 Pro Edition. It can't just be out. Now, sure, this computer, the one I'm using to remote into the other one, it's going to be anyways. It can be home. With the ability to go into your settings, or remote desktop, settings, and turn this feature on to allow people to connect to your computer. You have to have Pro. So my solution has been to upgrade all my stuff to Pro, because I remote into all my things, including my video editors. I remote into PCs all the time, so you have to be Pro everywhere. Pro costs $200, plus you can do something that should be guaranteed to build into your system. Also, Microsoft's native RDP software really limits ability to relax being able to log into your computer from anywhere. That's not possible. Those computers have to be on the same network. But often my editors are not on the same network as the computer they're trying to remote into. They're going to be at their house. They're going to be traveling. They're trying to get music and sponsor everything. You'll see two big players on here. Both free open source. You get Guacamole. I have my personal favorite, Animating, which as the name suggests,
Kopari sweat.
it's like on a paint. And they can work for every OS and Mac and Windows. You're probably wondering, Chuck, why not just use those? They're not a native.
That's sweet.
They're fantastic for accessing the system where you're just
this is your water.
Stuff. For example,
Mag-inom ka ha, every now and then ha. Bago ka kumamit, kami inom pa yung pages.
It should log into Cast Workspaces. It looks like this.
Very good. Ay, salamat.
Here's Terry, my AI machine. I'm sure right now. And boom, I'm in. It's my favorite way to access number one. But while Chasm has made some
I guess
GPU really good access,
moving on to this side.
There are better options that have a client installed for doing heavier things like video editing. This is where my research kind of took a weird turn. DMV. Don't worry, that's not my solution. But it is a solution like this. If you've ever been hacked, you'll know what TeamViewer is. I'm just kidding, but hackers do use TeamViewer. It is one of the best ways to remote access to the system. For example, I'm the unofficial IT guy at my church, and I manage their Windows desktop. I've got TeamViewer running on, so I got my TeamViewer application too. And without a VPN connection, I can simply connect to this machine. It's kind of amazing for what it is. And as you can see here, it's free for personal use. And it does have a ton of features, but honestly, I'm not annoyed by it. Because every time you connect to something, it's like, hey, this is free. Disconnect, like, hey, this is a sponsored session. Make sure you play fair. Buy a license. I don't like that. But the biggest thing I have a problem with is that I'm using TeamViewer servers to access this computer. They're in control. If you trust TeamViewer, this is a solution for you. If you're unsure, watch. I wanted something better.
Can you hear me?
Something that didn't make me feel good.
Well.
Such to see my business. Something that's truly free and open to doors. Something I can host myself. I love hosting things myself. It's the best. So TeamViewer's out. But I love TeamViewer for what it does. It's so easy to get remote access. You should simply install a client, and boom, you can get in. You don't need a VPN connection, although I do.
Although I use tablet. I think it works any tablet. It works on any tablet. Yes, that would be work fine. I'm not good at drawing, you know. Man, I'm on a budget, and I got like Kuyon. Kuyon? I don't know how you pronounce it, Kuyon?
My laundry list is pretty high. I landed on two very popular options. One you probably heard of, it's called Animating. I've heard a lot about this one recently, a big competitor to TeamViewer.
How fast is your milk?
Actually, our neurocognition research shows that app lipids are clinically shown to support
Statistically, 96% of the humans watching this video are not using Linux. And that's just like really sad because it's a superior free open source operating system, but only has a 4% share of the PC market. Luckily though, 96% of the non-human bots watching this video are using Linux because it is the dominant OS on the server. If you're a programmer or developer, you need to know Linux. That's where your code will eventually run and fail, and if you can't SSH into a Linux terminal and fix it, you are screwed. In today's video, you'll learn everything you need to know about Linux by looking at 101 essential concepts over the next 10 minutes. If you survive until the end, you should magically grow a neckbeard and be able to technobabble like an Arch user. Before one can understand Linux, though, one must recognize what came before it, Unix, an operating system developed at AT&T Bell Labs in the 70s. Its development led to a standardization called POSIX, or Portable Operating System Interface, to ensure that different systems would be compatible with each other. Its influence remains strong today, with macOS, Android, FreeBSD, and most Linux distros being POSIX compliant. In 1987, an OS called Unix for academic use was developed, but redistribution of its code was restricted. This inspired a Finnish computer science student named Linus Torvald to develop Linux in 1991. Importantly, it's free open source software licensed under GPL 2.0. And by free, I mean free as in freedom. It's free to distribute, modify, and make money off of. Now, what I'm referring to as Linux is in fact not an operating system, but rather an operating system kernel. It's written in the C programming language, and is the black magic that sits between your software applications and the hardware. When you hit the power button on your computer, the bootloader, which is
have some different workflows. But it says error. You know what, let's just focus to... No. Just focus. Or maybe I can align by going to edit, transform, fit to screen, and hold on.
Ayan, sana lahat tayo sumakses! Maraming salamat po sa Philippine Star Award. Sa piling para sa programa bilang Best Television. Salamat sa aming mga suportahan. May mag-aalaga. Samantala, meron pa ba kayong mga kwentong kakalita na nabutuan na kamamangka? Kaya na yan. Ipadala lamang po ang story suggestions para kita po ang menu of the sa aming Facebook fan page hanggang sa susunod na linggo.
What's wrong? Can we? Okay, so now that's the problem. That?
March 16, liligtas na sila sa pag-uwi ng Pilipinas. Naalala niyo kung kwento ko daw sa linggo ilang pinagdaanan. Dahil then, may accident na accident. Ang tinatay nila sa kalis at pinalagunan na si Ted na tinirapan ng call center agent dito sa Pilipinas. Ang wala nila ng sweldo mula 19,000 at 18,000 pesos. Tawag si Ted, manager sa isang restaurant. Ang ipinangako ang pagkakalihan sa ng kanilang rento na 1,000 plus dollar. Bakit ang pinipilit ng mga tao? Hindi ka ba nagiging mga mga nakabit lang yung pinita? Sulang ba ang nagtubig sa pilipinas? May lalaki, mas mayroon kami bahay sa pilipinas. Ang parang meron pag namin ilang protection na ano? Ano ako? Sabi ko, ako ba yung lumalapit na kunyagpit?
I can't chat right now. It says error. Try again. Can we just focus on what I'm animating?
Let's face the energy and purpose.
You know, it takes 2 seconds. Let's add some extra movement, which is called overshoot, maybe? Maybe no. Okay, that's something good. I gotta lock this layer so it doesn't. I don't want to overdo it too much. Nice.
Let's face the weak with energy and purpose. When
No, we're not talking about that. Anyway, let's draw faces. Okay. We're not talking about that figure, bro. I'm not good at drawing faces. The only thing I can do is this, like, I don't use straight ahead. Let's say you gotta draw perspective. Hold on. Maybe he's gonna point to the door. I mean, no, not pointing. Let's draw a door. Now if we do this, now we can actually add another layer. And then it'll follow. Well, let me clear keyframe. No, hold on. Let me drag this keyframe around. Oh, never mind. I guess it only changes that. Now I'm gonna use a line tool. So. This is why we're going to point. Just draw across. I don't know if it works or not, maybe. Let's do something very, very. Maybe this one is the spot. Dude. Is this correct? something where it's pointing. Maybe that will do. Maybe. I think I had a mistake or something, or whatever that is. Maybe that's how perspective works. Now move on to layers 2. Yes, 2. I just don't know how to view this thing. I'm not good at doing these, bro. Ah. Yeah, another joint. I'm not good at doing these, bro. I did. That's too fast. Let's add more frames. I'm not good at Drawing anatomy. See?